Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doug on Sci-Fi Behind the Wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this damn YouTube algorithm.
Sorry, the way you were saying it.
Like screaming at them.
Oh, it was just very like affirmative, like be sure, and also very like Midwestern, like newscaster. Like this just in. I gave it the goja juice.
Let's be honest. I was raised by radio broadcasters. Growing up in house of worship and things like that.
I know, it was really funny. I always say this every time we drive this. This speed limit on this street is insane.
Is going to slow down.
It better.
It's going to slow down.
Like to be able to get out of those neighborhoods and stuff, and you're like, okay, go.
Yeah, no, it's going to slow down. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah. Or they'll get lights.
And that'll cause it to slow down.
Mm-hmm. Or we know how our city likes
roundabouts. Although this is...
You got these?
Yeah. Although this side is Richland, or is this Kennewick?
This is Richland, but Richland likes its roundabouts just as much.
I see.
Kennewick's the one, though, that really likes them.
Yeah, Kennewick's the one that just does them all the time.
Well, it was because when they started inputting them all, they were like, we're going to break a record. And, like, that was their thing. We're going to make the record for the most roundabouts in our city size.
I remember that.
And then Richland was like, we'll see you for the number of roundabouts and give you
and
a double. A double roundabout.
And raise you 2. I'll see your roundabout count and raise you another 2.
Give you a double.
This is going to be such a fun road to take the Cybertruck on.
Mm-hmm. This is the road going this way that there was a sheriff doing a speed trap up here for people coming the other way.
No kidding. Tesla engineers, if you are watching this footage, you realize that if you're liking the footage and you want to see a Cybertruck, well, you know how to fix that problem. DM me on X.
I don't want the Founders Edition. We've been over this.
Yes, I understand that. When we get to revision 2, and I get the okay from my wife, which technically it's her damn truck.
And if you have hate comments about why I don't want a Founders Edition, please feel free to interact with me.
Please, feel free. I'll demonstrate a 2018 Model 3 and how I wished I would have waited till at least 2019 or 2020.
And if you recall, sir, do you remember who told you to wait?
It was so worth getting that car.
I know, you know what I mean.
It was so worth getting that car. Similar in a way to I think that it'll be so worth getting the Cybertruck.
Mm-hmm. So we go down this street for quite a while instead of taking that first left, just so you know.
No problem.
Although I probably could force it to go this left.
You're okay. Just let it do its thing.
Okay.
I got plenty of battery.
Okay.
Range is not a problem.
Okay. Beautiful sky though with this
Oh, heck yeah.
clouds. Just don't rain on me.
Should be okay.
Mm-hmm. I'll change the route once we make that left.
Sounds good.
My original thought was it was going to make this left right up here, and we were just going to go that way.
Gotcha.
But it's going to go all the way down.
Oh, yeah, I suppose you could let it go.
That's what I was trying to
That's
say.
what you're saying.
Yeah.
That should do it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to say. See?
I'll follow your
I
lead.
knew what I was saying.
I'll follow your lead.
You should always trust the local.
I've been here a while.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I've been here long enough to call myself a local.
All right, we're going to take this left up here.
Okay.
In 300, 200, 100. There you go.
Be on the lookout for any potholes.
Right. We'll say at least the clouds are kind of blocking the sun from hitting directly in the eye.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, this is the street we normally go, but we just go the other way. Because there's a house with all, like, wheat, whatever the hell that is in the backyard.
Well, you get to watch it from an aerial perspective.
All right, let's see how it handles this. We've got a blind corner with construction.
And somebody walking out. Yeah, what's interesting is from the drone's perspective, I could kind of see how there was somebody actually motioning to come out from behind.
Oh, see, I couldn't see that.
Behind the vehicle.
I couldn't see that.
And that's why I was like, oh, this is going to be really interesting to see how FSD handles it. I mean,
hey, they filled in the pothole.
I mean, I know you took over, and then
Yep.
it gave you a
You're crossing the law.
yeah, crossing yellow line warning. Which,
Yeah.
to be honest with you, that was the appropriate freaking action. Like, FSD can kiss my ass sometimes.
I actually didn't see the guy waving, so interesting.
Yeah, he walked behind his vehicle when he saw you, but did I say waving? It's not waving, but
Waving's like this.
yeah, he wasn't waving. He was walking out, like he was motioning to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. He was motioning to like walk to the side of his vehicle.
Oh, I didn't even see him.
Yeah, on that trailer there.
Yeah, I didn't even see him.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I have cataracts. Just blind spots.
That could be. Did you schedule an eye exam?
That's HIPAA. I don't want to talk about that on my. Speaking of which, when I was making my appointment for the doctor, and I had to put her on speakerphone really quick so I could pull up my calendar.
Yeah.
And I was like, I told the other teacher in the room, I was like, you don't hear anything. Like, and she was like, oh, are you okay with? I was like, I don't care. It's just when my appointment is. Like. Ooh, a hawk. Yes, this part of the drive should seem more familiar.
Yes. I got this.
Mm-hmm. Now you know why I wanted to tell you, like, preemptively tell you this is going to feel weird because we've never done that drive before.
Well, I appreciate the communication.
Did pretty good.
Not too bad.
The only intervention was going around the parked car, the work trucks.
A left? There was a left.
Nope, it did
Or
the
was that
left.
the last drive?
That was last drive.
Okay.
It did that left back.
Did it do the left out of Country Mercantile?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I had to give it a little go juice, but it did it.
Alright, I think I remember last time the trick here was do this maneuver, and then what you do is you slow down and then you pan. Pan, 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 pan. And then sneak over this way. Beautiful. Catch it like that.
I'm hungry.
Tim Riggin, we got this.
I'm hungry.
How much farther? I have to go potty.
That was you earlier. Hey, it's not my fault I get lunch at like 9:30 in the morning.
I feel you on that.
So by the time 5 o'clock rolls around, I'm like, oh.
Running on snacks today.
Right.
Well, as we approach the end of our drive, viewers, if you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the darn YouTube algorithm. And we greatly appreciate it. And I mean, come on. You gotta like the footage, right? Like, the footage looks really pretty. Especially on days like today. Come on. Subscribe. You know you want to. Hit that little button, hit the like button.
Even if you don't.
Leave a nice comment. If you leave a mean comment, I'll delete it, but...
Our spot's still not open, but there's more apparent. We go down to teachers.
Oh, we're by the park.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
There's more parents. I bet you there's like Little League basketball